Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Very good. Let's go, children. This is class 5 EVS. This is class 5 EVS. Lesson number 1. Variation of clothing. Variation of clothing. Page number 198. Please open. Children, in previous class, what we have discussed, let's go through about that. Children, variation in clothing. Why do we need cloth? Okay, we have already discussed, and there are some factors which depends the cloth according to the style. So, what are the factors? Already I have told: fashion, cost, climate, and tradition. These are the 4 factors. According to that only, Indian people wears their dresses. Okay, and it will affect the seasonal. Okay, climate means according to the season, hot, rain or winter, they are according to that only we want the different types of dresses. Like in rainy season we wear raincoat, in woolen cloth in winter season we wear, yes or no, and we used to wear the cotton cloth in hot, okay, in summer season. So like that, how much we can spend the money, okay, we can purchase that type of dresses. That is depends on cost factor. Next is tradition. Tradition means already we are celebrating the different type of festival in India. So according to their caste, according to their religion, okay, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, okay. So Diwali, Eid, Muharram, Christmas, okay, Holi. Many festivals are celebrated in India. So according to their celebration, we wear the dresses. Also different type of dresses. Next, more one thing is our climate over and our cost over and tradition also over. So more one thing is fashion. Means whenever we are getting to going to party and wear for shopping, then we have to wear the fashionable dresses. So these 4 are the factors, okay, which comes to our question number 1. Okay, what are the factors do the clothes wear depend? So these are the 4 factors which the clothes are depend. You have to write in question number 1. Next, children, different region. In last class already we have discussed about the 4 region. Our India divided into 4 regions: North, South, East and West. Okay. Similarly, according to their region only, they choose the dresses also, and they want the different stylish dresses. How? In North region, in Jammu and Kashmir, basically the women worn by the women dupatta and odhni, which called is firan. Okay, it is with the salwar kameez. They worn salwar kameez with main dupatta and odhni, which is called firan. And men also used to wear the long loose robe. Okay, that is called also firan. Like that, in Punjab, men always used to wear white cotton salwar kameez. Okay, white plain cotton salwar and kameez. And always in Punjab, women used to wear the salwar and suit only with dupatta odhni. Okay. So like that, when we go to southern part, there also main thing, women mainly used the sari with the different types of simple and fancy blouse. Okay, and women used to that young girls also. Okay, young girls also used to sari only, but little girls used to pavda. Pavda means pavda is a long frock type skirt. Okay, long skirt which is they are wearing below the blouse. Okay, below the blouse only they will wear that. Okay, so this is the style of the southern part of India, and men wear dhoti, which is called in Hindi dhoti, in Tamil vasti. Okay, Now let's go to our eastern part of our India. In eastern part, in Odisha, Sikkim, the women mainly using the sari only. Okay, mainly using their sari. Women also in different types of sari, like border sari, Odisha sari. Okay, so women also they use different style and pattern of blouse. Okay, simple or fancy pattern blouse with sari only. And honju, main thing is honju. Honju, what is honju? Honju is which is the full slide blouse and a loose gown type garments. Okay, honju is a full slide blouse and a long type of garments. Okay, long loose it is ये एक पूरा लूज टाइप का एक गाउन टाइप का गारमेंट्स है. ओके, सो दे यूज दैट ओनली. एंड मेन ऑलरेडी यूज धोती ओनली. ओके, व्हाइट धोती, white plain dhoti. Okay, now let's go to southern part of our western part of our India. Western part means what? In Gujarat and Maharashtra, always they used to sari only, but in Gujarat and Maharashtra style, that sari only in a different style they used to wear. Okay, they used to wear in different style with ghagra choli also. They used to wear ghagra choli also, because in Gujarat Garba is the famous dance. Yes or no? So they used to ghagra choli. In Maharashtra also they used to ghagra choli, and to sari only, no, they are using different style. Okay, and they are wearing the sari. Okay, in Goa also traditionally women wearing skirt and shirt also. Okay. Next, men also wear dhoti. Okay. Next, angrakha. They always men are using the angrakha. Okay, means it is basically calling shirt. Next, now today we are going to discuss the question answer, children. So let's know. First question already I told that what are the factors. Okay, depend on clothing. Next, second question is what the early man used to wear, cover their body. Second question. So the answer is the early men cover their bodies with leaves, grass and animals skin. With the leaves, grass and animals skin. Okay, children. Now come to third point. Third question. Read the question. In Jammu Kashmir, a traditional dress. What are the traditional dress? What are the dresses worn in Jammu Kashmir? In Jammu and Kashmir, a traditional dress worn by women. In Jammu Kashmir, a traditional dress worn by women called firan, and with odhni and dupatta. Men also wear a long loose robe. It is also called firan. So you have to write that. Next, in Punjab, fourth number question. What they wear in Punjab? है ना? In Punjab, men wear plain cotton white salwar kameez. Okay, salwar kameez with a dark waistcoat, and women in Punjab wear salwar suit with dupatta. Okay. Next, come to number 5 question. What is honju? Honju I told already. It is used in eastern part of our India, and honju is a full sleeve blouse. Honju is a full sleeve blouse and loose gown type of garments worn by the ladies of Sikkim. Okay, ladies of Sikkim. So that you have to write. You go through the book, follow the book. You will get the answer. Okay. Next, go to 6th number. In southern India, young girls wear sari in southern India. Okay, if we discuss about the southern Indian dresses, so in South India, young girls wear sari and little girls wear the pavda. Okay, which that much only you have to mention there. Now go to seventh number. In southern India, What do men wear? Men wear white sheet of cloth called dhoti. White sheet of cloth, that is called dhoti in Hindi and in Tamil vesti, along with the shirt and dhoti. So you have to write that. Next come to match the following. So you have to write the match the following, fill in the blanks and all, true or false. So go through the book, read carefully once the book, okay, you can get the answer. So children, first you write the name of the lesson, page number, question and answer also. Properly you have to write, okay, and maintain the neatness, okay, keep your copy neat and clean. Thank you.